Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Vanessa and welcome to my channel. Excuse the no makeup look today. I'm literally gonna go to the gym right after I film and edit this video, so that's why I'm a little bare. But today I wanted to talk to you guys all about creating your own eyeshadow palette, okay? So I've been getting a lot of questions, emails about how to do this, how I created my own eyeshadow palette. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing my own eyeshadow palette video, make sure that you guys go and check that out because it's amazing. I do swatches of my eyeshadow palette and show you guys everything there. But if you guys want to know today how you guys can create your own eyeshadow palette like this, that comes in a package and that looks just so beautiful like this, then keep watching, okay? So I've been getting questions on how you can start your own cosmetics line or skincare line or create your own eyeshadow palette. And so today I'm here to show you guys in my computer how you guys can start your own cosmetics brand using Alibaba.com to find your products, to private label, to add your own logo. Like literally I designed this in Canva, printed it out, and then it's kind of hard to tell because the ring light is super bright, but it's like golden. Maybe if I hold it back, it's a golden color. I created this in Canva, sent them the artwork, and they placed it here on the cover and as well as on the palette, okay? Isn't that cool? So if you guys are interested in learning how to create your own eyeshadow palette, then make sure that you guys keep watching and make sure you guys check out the link down below, including the Boss Queen mentorship, so that I can teach you guys how to start your own hair care line, skincare line, cosmetics brand, as well as the link to Alibaba so that you guys can find these vendors as soon as possible, and more, as well as the Boss Queen playlist where I go more in detail on all of this stuff, like how to create labels, how to create, where to get your barcodes and everything like that, okay? And check out all of my past Alibaba.com videos so you guys can figure out how to talk to these vendors, where to find these private label vendors, and so much more, okay? And if you guys do want more in-depth detail on cosmetics and skincare besides just all of the hair care stuff that I am doing, then make sure you guys comment down below. Comment down below other type of videos that you guys want to see so I know what type of content you guys want. I am coming out with a couple new DIYs, which includes hair care and skincare products, so look out for that, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any more videos like this, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when another video goes live. And make sure that you comment down something special in the comments so that I know you guys are enjoying videos like this, okay? But before we jump into my computer, I have to say thank you to Alibaba.com for sponsoring this video and allowing me to share this knowledge with all of my entrepreneur boss queens and kings. Today, Alibaba has changed so much and they are just helping us entrepreneurs start, launch, and grow our brand, okay? So I'm happy today to be sponsored by them and to be able to teach you guys all about what they have to offer, okay? So let's just get right into my computer and get to it. Alrighty guys, so here we are. Here is a look inside my computer. So once you guys click that link down below in my description box, it is going to take you to Alibaba.com, and the very first thing that you need to do is come right over here and create an account, okay? So if you don't have an account with Alibaba.com, make sure that you create an account so that you can keep track of all of the suppliers and all the messages, so then when you need to go back and find the products or the suppliers that you had been talking to, you know it's all in one place and easy for you. So you're going to create an account and sign right in. So after you sign in, this is what Alibaba.com looks like. And again, if you guys don't know what Alibaba.com is, it is the world's largest business-to-business marketplace where you guys can find literally hundreds of thousands of products, vendors, and suppliers to help you guys start your own businesses or whatever you may need. If it's not even with skincare or in the cosmetics industry, you can literally find whatever you need here and add a logo to it and make it your own, okay? But today we're talking about making eyeshadow palettes. So you're going to come right over here to the ready to ship option. So now Alibaba.com is offering a ready to ship option where you can literally come in here and find all these products that have products that are ready to ship, okay? So if you're just scrolling down, you can see all of the different products that they are showing you guys right now as we speak. Doesn't this one look familiar? Fenty Beauty. But you literally can order any of these products here, put your logo on it, and get it shipped to you guys fast, okay? So what is ready to ship or what is the ready to ship channel you guys are asking, ready to ship is offering low MOQs. So unlike the regular Alibaba.com suppliers, sometimes you guys know you have to order say 50 to 100 to thousands of units just in order to get or to be even able to order. So now with the ready to ship option, you guys can find products that have low MOQs. Okay, so this is great for drop shippers as well. So if you are somebody who's drop shipping, say like a product like this, the MOQ is only one piece. So you can literally drop ship products. Or if you just want to purchase in bulk products, now you have the option to purchase small amounts without having to break your bank to start your own cosmetics line, skincare, or hair care line, okay? Another thing that Ready to Ship is offering is fast dispatch. So most of these suppliers are just, processing your order between 3 to 5 business days, and then they're shipping it out but within those other 3 to 5 business days. So as you can see, if you just went right here, you guys can find products that would be processed and shipped out within 7 days, and then you would get it between the 7 to 10 business days. Products under $10 or customized products, okay? So since we are talking about eyeshadow palettes, we're going to just come right down here to fast customization, because we know that we are looking for a palette that we can customize and make our own and add our own logo. So you guys can see by scrolling down, and if you haven't watched my other Alibaba.com videos, make sure you do, because I go in depth on how to talk to these vendors, things you should be saying to them, how to find private label vendors for cosmetics, skincare, whatever you may need. So make sure you check out the Boss Queen playlist and all of my other Alibaba.com videos so that you guys can get the most information, okay? So we are looking for an eyeshadow palette. You guys can scroll down and see all of the different palettes that they are offering. But I do recommend that if you are going to order from somebody here, that you actually contact them, tell them what you're looking for, give them your logo and everything before you make a bulk order, okay? And if you are looking for help and you want me to do it for you because you just don't have time to do all this, then if you guys haven't seen my unboxing my own eyeshadow palette video, make sure you do, and I can help you guys work through my vendor and help you guys with anything that you may need, okay? So let's just say that we want a customized palette. I'm going to help you guys out and walk you guys through everything so you guys can figure out how to talk to them, what you should be saying, and whatnot. All right, so let's see this one right here. It has an MOQ of one piece. It's going to be between $3 to $5 for this, and it is customizable. So once you find a product that you like I always say, make sure you read up on the supplier, read about it, make sure the products and the ingredients are what you are looking for in your brand. So like cruelty-free, vegan, whatever your brand is supposed to stand for. And also look at all the different products that they do sell, because if you decide to stick with the supplier, then you might be able to private label other products that they offer. So then you're not having to order from multiple different suppliers, even though most likely you will, but at least you can cut down on the amount of suppliers that you're working with, just so it, helps with quality. It helps with quality control, that is, and it also helps with shipping time, since most likely if you're ordering, say, 3 different cosmetic products from this one supplier, they can ship it all to you within in one time. So yeah, so you read up on the company, other products that they offer, and then once you decide like, okay, I like this brand, then you would want to contact the supplier. And some things that you would want to say, like for me, when I was creating my eyeshadow palette, it literally took a couple weeks, because I really wanted to make sure it was perfect, because I actually wasn't ordering a sample. I was going to just batch order. So I really needed to make sure it was perfect the way I wanted. So you can read reviews. They usually have buyer reviews here, so you can go right there. But what I did is I picked out the colors that I wanted, picked out the palette, and I also sent him my artwork. And so these are things that you want to be talking to them, and I'll show you in a minute. You can also DI your colors. So if you were wanting to DI your colors, so by the way, this is a vendor. See, like if you guys want to go look them up, this is the vendor right here, Shenzhen Beauty Chain Co. I actually asked them if they could send me a live swatch. So instead of just looking at this swatch and like, okay, because to me, this is, I would not order from them just by looking from these swatches, because this does not look like very pigmented. I don't know. So after if the price is good and you like the palette, I would pick the colors, and then I would ask the supplier to create a swatch with all of the colors in your palette live in a video so then you can actually see what it looks like. And they did that for me. Alibaba suppliers are really great to work with. They really want your business and they really want to work with you and help you with your brand. So if you just tell them what you really need and that you know, kind of like what your concerns are, they're going to reassure you. Okay. So once you decide, okay, this is good, you can see free of sulfates, LSS, and parabens, but you're going to come right over here to contact supplier. Okay. And then this is when you're going to reach out to them and ask them the main questions and give them your logo. You want to give them artwork, you know, like I talk about, just get straight to the point. Tell them how many palettes that you're looking for. Tell them the colors, like if you know the colors in that moment, because sometimes they do have the colors on here where you can just come and say like, yeah, you just put the numbers, like those are the numbers you're thinking about. And then they can, you know, if you're giving them everything that they want in that one message, then they will be able to hopefully make a mock-up, you know, within a day or two. So then you can move forward more fast with your order. Okay. So yeah, you're going to just say like, hey, my name is Vanessa. I am looking to order your palette. Tell them what palette it is by the size or whatever they had. I love these colors. I wanted to know about your ingredients. Ask them to send an ingredient list, you know, ask them how fast they can ship, send them your logo, send them your artwork and everything like that. And you might need to actually ask them the size of the palette so then you can make sure that you are getting the correct type of artwork for that. But yeah, you're going to send them a message and then you're going to wait for them to reply. Okay. And I do recommend that you reach out at least to 5 to 10 different suppliers because you might see this and it might look, excuse me, great right now, but later it might not be what you want. So if you can just move as fast as you can and reach out to as many suppliers as possible, then it will help you find the perfect supplier. Okay. And this one looks really cute. Like I love this little look here. So, you know, Alibaba.com literally has so many options. And I did want to show you guys, for some reason, say you're looking for something specific and you're not finding it on the ready to ship channel. So like when you're coming here and you're scrolling and you're just not seeing anything and you want to search for something on Alibaba.com. So say you're looking for a vegan eyeshadow palette. Okay. So once you come here, it's going to take you out of the ready to ship channel, but I'm going to show you how you can find those ready to ship suppliers to make sure you are getting, you know, the highest quality suppliers that are trade assured verified and going to ship out the products as fast as possible. So you're going to come over here and click trade assurance and verified supplier. And if you want to know more about what these are, you can click on these buttons and read about it, or you can go to my other Alibaba.com videos and learn more about them since I go in more detail about it and what these are in the how to talk to vendors or how to find vendors video. And then you're going to go to ready to ship product type. And if there's anything else you wanted to put in there, you can, but I wouldn't just because most of the time you can work with your supplier. And then you would just do the same thing. You would look down, find a supplier that you liked or a palette style that you kind of want. And again, if you see ones that are kind of like colored, like the purple and blue, that means that on the inside it's going to be that color. So you can always ask them also if it's customizable. So the main thing is make sure you're communicating with your supplier what you want and what you're looking for so that you don't waste anybody's time or money, okay? So you want to make sure that if you can't order a sample before you're going to order bulk, that you do the most that you can to make sure it's exactly what you want. So ingredients, quality, and everything, okay? So I hope that this helps you guys out in trying to find and trying to create your own eyeshadow palette using Alibaba.com. There's so many suppliers, you know, just go in here, find what you like, and at least reach out to 5 to 10. And then, you know, if you do decide that you want to branch out your cosmetics brand, you guys know that you guys can find out more products here on Alibaba.com. Just make sure you are clicking these buttons here so that you are getting the best, highest quality vendors. And talking about the highest quality vendors, I did want to mention that Alibaba.com every month has an elite partner event. And this is where they highlight, you know, 10 to 15 different suppliers here on Alibaba.com that are just killing it. They have, you know, good shipping times. They have great response time. They've been with Alibaba.com for over 5 years. They have, they're just great suppliers, and every month Alibaba.com is highlighting them. So make sure that you do check that out as well. If you do see, you know, a little pop-up that is highlighting the vendors and suppliers of that month. So then you can see, you know, the highest quality vendors and the people who are actually selling the most on Alibaba.com. So then you can make sure that you are in that pool as well. Okay. So I hope that this video helped you guys out. And if it did, make sure that you guys like and subscribe. And like always, I will see you guys next time. Bye.